Greetings. I want to give you a quick tour of vSpatial. I recently began using it and it completely blows my mind. So, first of all, one quick note that I want to give you is that what I see in here is what you see right here on my screen. However, it's not exactly the way I see it. For me, everything is stable and nothing is like moving. Whereas the camera is tracking my head. So as my head moves, so does the environment. And so it looks like windows and everything are moving around, but they're actually not. That's just the camera tracking my head movement. And so you gotta have to kind of use your imagination and just kind of see it as a structured environment and not as a wiggly environment. So let's begin. So first of all, this is my work zone. So I'm just going to grab the wands. They're easy to point with. So first of all, this whole area right here is my work zone. And then this area up here is where I can put things that are pending. And so right now we're looking at like the very basic setup. And so we're going to start from here by connecting to one of my computers. And so I'll just grab this remote connection um, uh, module. And so here we are. So now you see that I've got two devices right here. I've got my media desk and I've got my laptop. And so I'll go ahead and connect to the media desk. And I'm going to turn down the incoming audio so it don't get the feedback. All right. So now that I've connected to my computer, I've got all of these apps up here. So like these are my different windows and this is the program. So like for example, I've got Dreamweaver open right now. I'll just put Dreamweaver right here. But let's imagine that I want to let's open up Premiere. I'm going to give a demonstration with three different types of situations. We're going to do video editing, code editing, and then also let's do Second Life gameplay. And so for notice that since I want to do a search, I can use my physical keyboard. And so I'm just going to put in and then wait a minute. I'm going to close. I think I should not have hit the plus button, but I'll just open this. There we go. So now we have it right there. So everything is opening up. I'm just going to grab my wands and I'm going to just move things over a little bit. There we go. Sign in here. And then I've got Premiere right here. I'm going to So first of all, with any of the windows, let me just go ahead and start a new one here. And so you can see here, I've got a video that I was working on editing. And let's imagine, like I can blow this up full. Now, once again, for you, you can't see this, but I've got this big structured window right here in front of me. And I can sit here and I can edit. So imagine I want to put a split right here. Put a split right here. So very easy. It's no different than like a monitor being in front of it. And so that's So anyway, I can I'll just move on to something else. Same thing is true. Let me see. Sometimes I can get my hand working. Let's see. See, this will pop this up, but sometimes I can. I haven't figured out exactly what um, triggers it, but sometimes it'll use my hands. But I'll just move this out the way. Like let's imagine I want to put it right there. Now I've got it sitting up there, and I can just bring this and bring this over. That comes with it. I'll just sit these down and let's do a bit of gameplay. Once again, I'll blow it up in front of me. So I've got it right here, isolated from everything else. But I don't have to do that. I mean, I can sit here and play it just like this. And it's actually really cool doing so. But I'm just going to go for a quick flight. And you, as you can see, like everything moves in real time. Like there's no delays, no lag or anything like that. And that's why I'm doing something like Second Life is just to kind of demonstrate, like something that would basically like slow down or maybe not perform so well um, in this type of environment. But as you can see, it's just go ahead and land. Stop this thing. All right, so that's enough of that. So I'm just going to take these and I'm just going to take this and put this right there. Boom. See? And now, same thing about this. I mean, I don't have to sit here and write code for you, but as you can see, you can, I mean, anything that you want to do. So, so now you see I've got all of those up there. I can take, so like let's take, for example, yeah, so now I've got a browser window open. If I need to do some research, for example, I can open up a new tab. Yeah, and then I can do whatever. And we've got it right here, and it's huge, and it looks great, and we've got everything else. Now, the next layer of this is that like we can connect multiple computers and have access from each of the computers in this one environment. Um, really, like just mind blowing. So I'll just show a couple more things before we end it. So I'll just put that right there. So now we've got this work zone right here. So let's imagine we're tired. We've been working all day and we want to just kind of hang out. We'll put this somewhere where we can get it. And here's my ball. And up higher for me before. So anyway, I'm gonna grab now. Let's grab this these settings. So watch this. I'm gonna put the settings right here so that you can see. Let's change my environment. So now there's. So we can easily change the environment to what we want it to be, like within these. And so that's the. That's about it. Got any questions? Ask.